CapCut has become the leading video editing app with over 500 million monthly active users as of 2024. One of the most common tasks users need to perform is removing filters from their videos. CapCut offers various types of filters, ranging from basic color adjustments to advanced LUTs and professional color grading tools. Understanding these filter types helps you choose the right removal method. The first method is individual filter removal. Select your video clip, tap the Filters option in the bottom menu, then choose None or the original preset to remove specific filters. This method gives you precise control over which filters to remove. Method 2 uses the Reset function in the Adjust menu. This powerful option removes all color corrections and filters simultaneously, making it perfect when you want to start fresh with your original footage. Recent CapCut updates have introduced enhanced undo and redo functionality with up to 50 steps of edit history, plus a new project history feature that lets you revert to previous versions before filters were applied. For a complete reset, use the Replace function in the media library. This method restores the original, unedited video file while maintaining its position in your timeline, ensuring you get back to the highest quality original footage. CapCut provides multiple effective methods for removing filters: individual removal for precise control, Reset All for quick, complete removal, project history for version control, and the Replace function for original file restoration. Choose the method that best fits your editing needs. Current trends in video editing are reshaping how creators approach filter management. The industry is moving toward non-destructive editing and AI-powered solutions. For content creators, following best practices ensures you can always recover your original footage and maintain creative flexibility throughout your editing process. Professional editors and agencies need more structured approaches to filter management, including documentation and creating multiple versions for different platforms. When filters won't remove properly or you experience quality loss, there are specific troubleshooting steps that can resolve these common issues. Industry experts emphasize that easy filter removal has become crucial as audiences increasingly value authenticity. Recent statistics show that 73% of CapCut users regularly modify filters after initial application.